Hello! So here's something that is pretty interesting, if I say so myself, and it's definitely a first for this channel. We have wireless bone conducting headphones. The future is here, people. So unlike traditional headphones, these do not go in your ear. So there's quite a few perks that actually make these great for working out or taking that afternoon jog. These are the Aftershokz Trekz Air. You know, after seeing these on the store shelves for about a few months now, I passed by these several times and I thought to myself, could these be any good? Well, apparently about 700 people think that these are really good. These almost have a 5-star rating on Amazon, and you could pick them up for about 80 bucks. So it's not that bad in price, I mean, especially for the technology that this thing is packing. So in case you don't know what bone conduction headphones are, well, let's check out the box so we can go over more details. So as you can see from the model, and just like I said earlier, these do not go inside your ears. They stay outside of your ear and they rest against this bone right here in front of your ear. It seems like they won an award for their design in 2018. And then at the bottom we have a descriptive, the model information, and then what these are. On the right side it says be open for several different reasons, and we'll go over that in a few. On the back here, we got a 2-year warranty. We got another picture of the device right there. Trekz Air, wireless bone conduction headphones. It says right here that bone conduction technology delivers sound through the cheekbones. This has an IP55 sweat resistance rating. We got premium pitch stereo sound, titanium fit, multi-point pairing, wireless music and calls, and 6 hours of battery life. On the other side, it says open ear design, bone conduction technology, safe and comfortable. If you open it up, we have another model. This time she's running, she's getting it, she's going after the prize, and she's using these headphones in order to do so. Of course, on the right side, that's where all your accessories are at, your headphones, all the goods are packed underneath here. And mind you, the presentation, very nice. So here we have the traveling case, and the case, well, it's not a hard case, it's just a silicone case, but it is padded on the inside. We have some branding down here, so we definitely know what's packing inside. So you end up getting this cable, which is USB-A to micro USB. You'll get some basic instructions of how to turn it on, pair it, and all that good stuff. Storage and maintenance instructions. And last but not least, setup instructions. And another thing too, as I was taking this out to show the camera, is they actually provide something else that I think is kind of interesting. They provide some earplugs, I guess, so that way you have the option to drown out the world if you choose. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. It's the simple things that make me happy. So let's bring back up the Bone Crusher front and center. So on the left hand side, you're going to have your brand and you're going to have your multifunctional button right there. On the right hand side, once again, you're going to have the brand, but underneath you're going to have your power button, your volume up, your volume down, and your charging port, which of course is a micro USB. And here's a closer look to the right channel. Now you do see the holes, and there is some sound that does come out of those holes, but a majority of the bass and a majority of the vocals is being conducted through your cheekbone with the vibrations that this technology carries. So with these being the first wireless bone conduction headphones that I've ever tried, I really have nothing to compare them to, but I do like these. I dig them a lot, actually. It's an interesting feeling, you know, putting these on, especially when you get it at the right point, but it works. It does what it says it's supposed to do. Now, a huge positive to these are your ears are wide open, so you can hear the elements. You can take in the wind or the sounds of the birds chirping in the trees nearby. You can hear the traffic as you're running by or riding your bike, which is always a good thing. Plus, if you have long hair, then you won't look so stupid wearing these. Nah, I'm just kidding. You guys look good. You guys look very good. But on another note, call quality on these, 2 thumbs up. Last night here in California, I don't know what the heck happened, but it was windy, man. It was so windy. And I was like, well, let me put these on. Let me go outside where it's really windy, and let me see how call quality is. So one thing my wife said is they sound awesome. She was able to hear me clearly. I was able to hear her clearly. So clearly, it's a winner. And as far as music goes, well, the bass but you're not going to get that full effect that you typically get with earbuds or headphones that are over your ear or inside your ear. It's just not going to happen. But I don't think that's what this technology is going for. It's going mainly for safety, safety, safety. But don't get me wrong, I mean, it sounds good. They sound good. But it's kind of like comparing apples to oranges, because most people, they've never tried bone conducting headphones. But if these pique your interest, or you have a question about these, don't hesitate. Just hit me up in the comments down below, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Bone Crusher, just kidding, on the Trek Airs, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.